We got 104 HE. 104. How you doing, sir? Good.
Figure it out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just do it for him.
And you keep all the JLTV, like kind of stuff that people work on racing.
You working on farm?
I hear a whole.
Check firing, check firing, check firing.
Charge 1 Lima. Charge 1 Lima verified. Load it.
Charge 1 Lima. I see red.
I see red.
Breach closed.
Hey, pump the hey.
We literally just pumped the system. What the fuck?
Charge system. Double check your data again. Double check your data again. 3205.
Quadrant 32005 verified.
Quadrant 336.5.
Quadrant 336.5 verified.
Say bye. Now. Be easy with it.
Now we're talking.
Charlie GP speeding.
Charge GP speeding verified.
Load it.
Pick up!
Charge 1 Lima.
1 Lima verified.
I see red.
Charge 1 Lima. I see red.
Pick up!
Charge 1 Lima.
1 Lima verified.
Load it.
Charge 1 Lima. I see red.
I see red. Fight.
Doing this, okay? Get in the habit.
1, 2.
Verify what?
Verify what feature.
The setting,
The setting.
right? And the fuse,
1,
right?
2.
Once you start getting 762,
Doc.
7s.
Can you get the trash bag down, please?
1, 2. Dude, go on.
But
Actually,
where this fucking
Take it off right now. There you go.
Drop. Let's go, boys. Come on.
Number 3.
Load it. I see red. Ready, drop. Turn the lever. Load it. I see red. Survive. Fire. Fire. Let's go. Let's go. Leave it verified. Drop. Load it. I see red. I see red. Leave it verified. Load it. I see red. I see red. Survive.
Bitch prom.
Drop. Load it. Excellent. Survive. Fire.
Alright, hold the way up, hold the way up. Jump in the back truck, jump in. Put him all the way to the right. Recess his tournament. Alright, stay with him. He's right here, he's fucking boy. Scream that way for fucking seal. Hey, wait.
You conscious? Airway. Alright.
Don't make it up. Hold the chaos, tell him what to do. He's got a hole in his chest. He's got a hole in his chest. He's got a hole in his chest.
put a chest seal on his fucking wall, okay?
Let's go.
Do
Ho,
it!
ho, ho,
Chest seal.
Right there.
Chest seal.
You do not have to pull it out. You could have just stuck the actual case.
Second thing, sign the septum, detention, pneumothorax. All right, you got that? And then we treat it with the chest wound and a needle. 7, 4. You got all that?
you can actually get a good estimate of